Mikumi worshipped the monkey god Saru Tahiko. Saru means monkey. When Ninigi was on his way to descend, he saw an imposing kami at the place where the roads of heaven divide. The kami had an enormous nose and was as tall as a giant. Light shined from the edges of his mouth and eyes, and none of them could outstare it. So they asked Ame no Usume for help, the kami who danced in front of the cave of heaven, to draw out Amaterasu when she was depressed. She exposed her breasts and lowered the cord of her skirt, and then started laughing. To this the kami said, why are you doing this? She replied, that is my line. Why are you taking up the road? He then said, I am Saru Tahiko. I heard that the child of Amaterasu will descend, so I am waiting to meet him. Following this, Ninigi descended and Saru Tahiko went to Sanada in Ise province, asking Ame no Usume to escort him.